2 years ago, a 12-year-old Nigerian boy, Chika Ofili, has made the nation proud as he did what many his age could not achieve. Let's listen what he is going to speak on this matter.
Hi friends, I'm Chike Ofili. I'm 14 years old from Nigeria, son of Ma and Ogo Chukwu Ofili. I'm settled in the United Kingdom and a student of Westminster Under School. Some of you must have heard my name recently connected with the discovery of testing a given number divisible by 7. I have come up with the new mathematical formula for divisibility by 7 when I was 12 years old. Friends, I just wanted to ask a few questions before I explain my new formula. Well, how many of you have the practice of doing holiday homework? Has your holiday homework ever excited you? Has it ever disturbed your sleep? My success story began with a holiday homework. Once on a bored day of my winter break, I took out my math holiday assignment which my math teacher Mary Ellis had given to me. She had also provided me a book called First Steps for Problem Solvers to look at over the holidays, and inside the book was a list of the divisibility tests. But there was no easy or memorable test for dividing by 7. I intrigued at the idea of finding out the easy test for divisibility by 7. I pondered upon how to solve it and started working on it. To my excitement, within a few days I could break the task. There is nothing in a caterpillar that tells you it's going to become a butterfly. I was just an ordinary child like you. This discovery is made possible for me only because I had a strong determination of chasing my idea and worked on it until the task is solved. You know, teachers affect eternity. No one can tell where their influence stops. It's my math teacher made a difference in me. Her encouragement helped me to seek for that extra move which turns me to get a special recognition award, True Little Hero Awards, for making a new discovery in mathematics. The test I discovered is not something a hard nut to crack. It's a very simple test just like any other divisibility tests of 2, 3, 5, etc. I would now demonstrate the test with a few examples. Here is the screen display. For instance, take the number 3815, multiply the last digit by 5 and add it to the remaining number. Here the last digit is 5, and multiply 5 with 5 and adding it to 381 gives 381 plus 25 equals 406. The same way multiply the last digit of 406, which is 6, by 5, and adding with 40 we get 40 plus 30 equals 70. Here, 70 is divisible by 7, so the numbers 406 and 3815 are also divisible by 7. Let us take one more example, 40,289. Always multiply the last digit by 5 and add it to the remaining number to test for divisibility by 7. Then 4028 plus 45 equals 4073. The last digit of the sum 4073 is 3. Multiply 3 by 5 and adding it to the number 407 we get 407 plus 15 equals 422. Repeat the same process. Multiply 2 by 5 and adding it to the number 42 we get 42 plus 10 equals 52. 52 is not a multiple of 7. Hence, the numbers 422, 4073 and 40,289 are not divisible by 7. Friends, you must have wondered to know how simple was the test, isn't it? The test also works if you start by multiplying the last digit of a number by 12, 19, 26, 33, etc., and then add it to the remaining part of the number. If we have an interest and curiosity to learn, success will be at our doorsteps. Remember, the word impossible also read as I'm possible. I conclude with the hope that my friends who are watching this video will come up in future with a new solution that contribute to math. Good luck, guys. Bye.
On the side, as the saying goes, a fruit doesn't fall far from its tree. We see where Chika draws his intelligence and uniqueness. It's from his mom, Ma Ofili, who is an extraordinary Nigerian UK-based award-winning midwife, global health specialist, public health advocate, CEO of Footprints, a community healthcare LLC. She is known as Duchess Ma Ofili as she is esteemed as Duchess for her remarkable services rendered in Nigeria and the UK.